Ready to unlock the secrets of the stock market? Let's dive into options trading. Options trading might sound tricky, but we're here to make it simple. Think of options as special tickets. These tickets give you the opportunity to buy or sell stocks at a set price before a certain date. There are two main types, calls and puts. A call option lets you buy a stock if its price goes up. A put option lets you sell a stock if its price goes down. Easy, right? Let's say you have a call option for stock ABC at $50. If ABC's price jumps to $60, you can buy it at $50 and score a profit. But if it stays below $50, you only lose the small fee you paid for that option. Options trading can boost your gains, but be cautious. It comes with risks. Always be prepared to only invest what you can afford to lose. And that's your quick intro to options trading. If you enjoyed this, hit like, subscribe, and the bell icon for more tips. Bye. Happy trading.